order for to-go, please. We need 2 orders of the 3-piece tenders. That comes with 2 sides, right?
I was gonna like edit the video to lie you guys that I didn't eat the food yet, but I'll just tell you guys the truth. We brought the food home. My in-laws and everybody was at the table, so I was embarrassed to record myself eating it for everybody. But I saved 1 piece of chicken for you guys to see. Guys, it's so spicy and delicious. It's amazing. And at the bottom comes with a slice of bread. Last time I was here, I got the mild chicken because I didn't even know. I thought it was like sauces that you dip the chicken in. After I ordered, then they told us that it's seasoning and they can give you extra seasoning on the side because that's how they're cooking the chicken. So now I knew, and I got the hot. You guys have no idea how good this is. In terms of chicken tenders, not like restaurant overall, because I never, oh my god, that's hot. Whew. In terms of chicken tenders, this is a 9 out of 10. It might be the best chicken tender I ever ate. The only reason I'm not giving it a 10 is because I don't think it's the best that exists. This is their So Gouda mac and cheese.
So Gouda.
So delicious.
This is their So Gouda.
This food is so good that I'm gonna be sad whenever I go back to Hollywood, Florida, because there's no such thing as this there.
If you want to make the video really interesting, put this on your chicken.
You know, it's tradition around here that we don't eat this no more, because I almost died last time. Oh my god. But thanks for the suggestion. Yeah, being 500 miles away from this place is not gonna be fun. One day I'm gonna have to go back and try the chicken sandwich and a couple other items that they have on the menu. When I first went there, I had the mild or like not spicy chicken tenders and it was okay. But this right here is another level. This is unbelievably good. LoveBird, almost famous chicken. It should be famous. Maybe this video will help make it famous. It's very good. It's been about 10 minutes, 15 minutes since I ate the chicken. My mouth is still burning. But it was so delicious.